Richard from Built by Athena. We work with Classic Homes to erect the YZY cabins. This is the Corsica 30. This will take about a week and a half for us to fully construct on site.
My name's Heather and this is my husband Adrian, and we're the owners of Classic Homes.
Put the house on surefoot foundations, on a surefoot basis. The decking is future wood, which is a composite decking which is made out of recycled hardwood sawdust, and then we put treated pine barriers and joists down, and then we've got particle board flooring, and then we have a Trojan flooring, hybrid flooring over the top in spotted gum.
I really like the high rating of the home with the energy values. It has super thick walls which give it a rating overall of 6 to 7.
Really liked it. It seemed like a good value and good construction. We've just started our journey, through the expo, but I think so far this is our leading contender to beat.
The aspect that got me most excited was this wood construction, total insulation, all designed by computers, cut out with computer things to the micromillimetre.
I love the timber features and how the barn doors are aesthetically pleasing.
I like the fact that it's light and airy and timber, all natural. It really is a lovely look and a lovely feel to the place.
The comments that have been coming through are, cost-wise, they're very competitive. People are saying they are very surprised at the cost.
Construction is so simple. All comes to your property on pallets and away you go.